Hi everyone, welcome to this Excel tutorial where we'll unlock the power of the Now function. If you've ever needed to track real-time deadlines, automate timestamps, or build dynamic schedules, this function is your new best friend. By the end of this video, you'll be able to use Now confidently in your spreadsheets. Let's dive in. The Now function in Excel returns the current date and time based on your computer's clock. It updates every time your worksheet recalculates, making it perfect for live dashboards or time-sensitive tasks. The syntax is simple, equals now. No arguments needed. Just type equals now and press enter. The result includes both date and time such as June 25, 2024 to 30 p.m. Imagine you're organizing a conference and want a live countdown timer showing the days and hours remaining until the event starts. Here's how to build it with Now. First, let's create a table to organize our event details. We'll include the event name and its start date and time. In cell A1, type event name, and in B1, type start date and time. For this example, let's say the event is a conference starting on June 30, 2025, at 9 a.m. Enter conference in A2 and June 30, 2025, 9 hours 0 minutes and 0 seconds a.m. in B2. Now, let's add a cell to display the current time. In C1, type current time, and in C2, enter the formula equals now. The Now function will automatically update to show the current date and time whenever the sheet recalculates. Next, we'll calculate how much time is left until the event starts. In D1, type time remaining. Then, in D2, enter the formula equals B2 now. We're subtracting the current time from the event start time. The result is the time difference in Excel's date-time format, a decimal number. To make this readable, we'll format the cell. Right-click D to greater than format cells. Under Custom, enter D days H hours. This format breaks the time difference into days and hours, making it easy to understand at a glance. Excel updates the Now function every time the sheet recalculates. Let's build a task tracker that flags overdue items in real time, perfect for project managers. In A1, type task, in B1, type to date and time, and in C1, type status. Enter your tasks. In A2, type design. In B2, enter January 26, 2025, 17 o'clock. In A3, type testing. In B3, enter January 27, 2025, 12 o'clock. In A4, type launch. In B4, enter June 30, 2025, 9 o'clock. This table will help us track deadlines and flag overdue tasks automatically. Now, let's use the Now function to check if a task is overdue. In C2, enter the formula equals if now greater than B2, overdue, on track. The formula compares the current time to the due date. If the current time is later than the due date, it returns overdue. Otherwise, it returns on track. Drag the formula down to apply it to all tasks. Now, let's use the Now function to check if a task is overdue. In C2, enter the formula equals if now greater than B2, overdue, on track. The formula compares the current time to the due date. If the current time is later than the due date, it returns overdue. Otherwise, it returns on track. Drag the formula down to apply it to all tasks.